Installing a new Quench machine in your workplace is simple and straightforward. Over the last 25 years, we've installed more than 100,000 water coolers and ice dispensers in settings as varied as professional offices, retail stores, showrooms, warehouses, distribution centers, hospitals, and schools. Our service technicians undergo extensive training at our own Quench University and are fully insured so that you know you are in good hands. A Quench cooler can be situated just about anywhere that you need drinking water as long as there is a suitable electrical outlet and a water source somewhere in the building. Have very high ceilings or a water source that's up to 200 feet away? No problem. Our installing service technician can still have your Quench machine up and running quickly and with minimal disruption to your business. Most standard installations can be completed in less than an hour. The first thing your Quench technician will do is confirm the location of a typical 110-volt grounded power outlet. Next, we locate a convenient water source in your building and connect a water line from the source to the water cooler, usually a break room sink. If your Quench machine needs a drain for reverse osmosis filtration, your service technician will run one to the closest drain pipe, typically in a break room sink or other close-by location. We then may install a check valve, an air gap, or a condensate pump, but your service technician will determine and install if necessary. The water source and drain tubing run virtually invisible behind walls, above drop ceilings, or under baseboards. The tubing is then fed through an opening in the wall at the machine's location. It is neatly finished with an outlet plate, like a cable television connection. Quench uses food-grade tubing and high-quality fittings, and our installation work conforms to local building code requirements. Ball valves are also installed at both the water source and behind the water cooler for easy shutoff and machine maintenance. Once everything is complete, your Quench installing service technician will test the unit to make sure that it is working perfectly, and then leave your space as clean as he found it. We'll see you again when it's time for your Quench machine's regular preventative maintenance, usually in a year. In the meantime, all you have to do is enjoy an endless supply of great tasting, healthy Quench filtered water.